problem is that we have given an array of integer and we need to find the product of the all the array of elements except the element that we are finding the given product. Let's take one example. We are given a array, this is given array, and we need to find a new array which is the product of the element except the element that we are currently on. Let's say we are currently on 1, so we need to find the product of the all elements, remaining elements. When we are at position 2, then we need to find the product of all the elements except 2. So for 1, the product should be 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, right? So for element 2, the product will be 1, 3, 4 and 5. So for 2, it should be 1, 3, 4 and 5. For 3, it should be 1, 2, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 4 and 5. For 4, it should be 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5. And 5, for 5 it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This problem, the approach is that we will first find the product of all the elements. Okay, product of all the elements in the given array. And let's say we want to find the products of all elements except the elements present at the index number 0. So for that we need to do what? We need to divide the whole product by the elements present at the given index. For the excluding the 2, for the next index, for excluding 2, we need to do the same thing. We need to take the product and we will divide with the current element. For the 3, we do the same thing, divide by 3. For 4, it should be product divided by 4, and for 5 it is product divided by 5. Okay, now this will the basic approach. So let's write the code for it. So public class dcp underscore problem2. So public static void main, and there is a string, array of string passing as arguments. Let me create a nums array and initialize with some random array of integer. Now we need to find a product or the array of product excluding the given element. So I will create one solve function in which I will write nums, and okay, I will pass, this will be our solve function. So let's first calculate the product of whole integer. For that, first calculate the length of the array, then product of the whole integer. Let's first initialize it with 1. And product is equal to product star into nums of I. We are multiplying each element. Now for creating array, so we have to return a new array with a product. So for that we need to create a return array. So let's create a array of new array for storing the product of each element excluding that element. So for that, let's traverse the array I++ and as I said. So return of I will become product divided by the integer present at the ith index, and we can simply return the return array. So this is for it. So thank you for watching.